All right, another math.random question. Will definitely be one of these on the AP test, usually in a multiple choice question like this. And we want to generate a number from 2 to 50, inclusive of 2 and 50. And I would again just go letter by letter and kind of break it down. Remembering that math.random does 0 to 0.99999 repeating. And so that on letter A, when we multiply it by 50, we would have 0 to 49.99999, and then it's going to truncate that to 0 to 49 when it does the int cast right here, and then we're going to subtract 2 from that. So that's going to be negative 2 to 47, so that doesn't work. Okay, letter B is really similar, and again, it's not going to work because it's just a different number, 49 here, so that one's out. Let's try C. So I go 0 to times 0 to 49, so that'd be 0 to 48.999, and then truncate that to 0 to 48, and then let's see, add 2 on this one, so that would be 2 to 50. I think that's what we want. That'd be letter C. Okay, and if we want to just make sure, we could do some of the other ones. I think on D we're going to be off because that'll be 0 to 49.999, and then it'll truncate to 0 to 49, and when you add 2 it'll be 2 to 51, so that one's off by just a little bit. And in a similar way, this one's going to be off, right? Because we're only doing 48, so I think we'd get 2 to 49, so we'd be off by 1 for letter E also. So letter C is our best answer.